Hello there, this is the second video in the series. Like I said yesterday, today I'm going to make it so you can buy stuff from a shop which I'm going to make and plant stuff in your farm. This game is, if you haven't seen the previous video, I think you should watch it. It's just like me making all of this. In this video I'm going to, as I said, make it so it's currently already detection, but make it so you can actually do stuff. So let's get into that. First, what I think is in this we should make a little like paragraph, or like a thing. Let's go div id equals S menu, stands for shop menu, and then in this div let's add buttons, so button, and then you can fill that in later. And then let's also add to make another div and call this a filler. So this is what will appear if there is nothing there currently. Make this a paragraph which will say do something. So if you save this and reload, you'll see both the things appear, because the top one's not currently neither of them are currently hidden. But to do that, first let's just add a comment to show us where the assignments are, and then let's add const, and then let's go filler equals document dot get element by id. This is referencing the documents, which is that, and it is getting an elements ID from the HTML file, and it is filler, caps lock on, it is filler, and we want filler to be hidden. So let's go filler dot styled dot, what's it called, visibility, no, it's display equals none, and this will get rid of the filler, but we want the button to be gone. So let's see if this is block, so it stays, and then we can also, okay, and also let's do the other one, which is S menu. We get const menu equals document dot get element by id, and then if we get the elements, which is S menu, oops, I did it on the wrong line, I must have pressed the arrow key. Well, S menu, and then if we go down here where the other one is, and go menu dot style dot display equals none. Now if we do this, I did something wrong. If I go Control Shift I, console, and then it tells you exactly what's wrong. I added a 9 there, and then here we go, it's gone now. But we need to fix the scroll bar. So if we give it inner height -20, let's go -40 for the extra no, minus 60. Nope, minus 100s. Yes, that has done it. Minus 90 though. Minus 80. Minus 70. Minus 65. Oops. Minus 62. Minus 60. So it's over 61 and 62. So 61. And so it's 62 is the largest I can do it with this. So now what I can do, I'm gonna just check like how low I can go. So I'm going, and it's, yeah, there we go. Because I had collisions yesterday. Now let's make it so if in farm area we will make it so menu dot style dot display equals block, and then the other one was filler dot style dot display equals none. I did the wrong parentheses. None. So now if I do it, I'm gonna go to the farm and I'm going down now and it changes. I just need it to change back. So to do that, I will go underneath it, else, curly bracket, menu dot style dot display equals none, and also filler dot style dot display equals block. So now I'm going to go to the right and down, and it changes, but it works. So now if I go over here and it's menu, for example, buy carrots, what if I like lettuce? If I go to that, let's go to the right and then down, it shifts, which is annoying, but I know why. See that big chunk here? Go shift control I, elements, computed, see no padding, marginal border, which is no 8, and then let's go to the filler, do something, 16 compared to the S menu, which is 0. So if we make a new file, so if we expand this, and then if we make a new file, and so make a new file, and then, oops, one sec. Okay, so now we've got this extra file, and then if we go to the heads and then go link rel equals style sheets, style sheet, href, that's where it's coming from, and it is r.css. Now if we close this off, save it, and then r.css, we want to change filler. We want to give this a class, and this is menu A, because that's one of the first things you see in the menu. and this will be filler A class equals menu A. So now if we go out of CSS dot filler A and then curly brackets, we can go margin 0 pixels, and then it's better. So if we go to the right and go down, it shouldn't shift as much. It barely shifts anymore. And then if we go dot menu A curly brackets and margin 0 pixels, and also shouldn't spell it quickly, and then padding 0 pixels. Now if we go over, so go right and then down, it should not shift at all. Oh, barely. See, it goes like barely. What is shifting it? If it's a border, then we can just, what is doing it? Yeah, border is what's doing it. And then menu, border, none. So now, as we can see, it's like, and then does it shift? It does not shift at all, except it's tiny. So if we just change, so well, this works, but let's also go background dash color and change this to black. Or do I need to just do background color? Oh, I know, I never put that here. So now, if I go down and then to the right of black, I'm just increase the speed so it can go faster, which is, so speed to 20. So this is for debugging purposes. Change the speed back to 5 afterwards, maybe even 10. But we'll have it like dark gray, because dark gray is actually lighter than normal gray. Because there we go. Let's go color white, color dash white. So now reload. If we go over to it, it'll be easy to see. Violet this, or we could just change it to grey, which is actually darker, as you can see. And then, yeah, here we go. So now we can change this just to like a hashtag, because yeah, and then we can change it in game.js. Also, we shall copy this like once or twice, so it can two, and then just space them out, because this makes it so you can, so if there's like 3 things, id equals plants, because I mean this one id equals b, so id equals harvest, so plant harvest, I mean this one here, which will have an id of plant harvest. Is there anything else I would need to add? let's just get rid of this extra button, because later we can maybe add like watering, but that's not for now. So we shall add plans and harvest the game.js. So I'll do that now, and that is now done. Oh, that'll be the end of this video. I'm going to be making another video today of me continuing this, because I'm pretty sure 15 minutes is long enough for you guys, and not too sure, because my last video had a 54-second average watch time, and yeah. So can you please like and subscribe and comment your ideas, and goodbye.